Well, already started. Here we go. Let's continue. Here we go. We are coming up to the biggest hill in my village. Yay, that's going to be fun getting up it. But, we've still got a long way. Oh my god, I found two horses. Two horses. Can you see them? Two horses. I don't know. I think you can see them. Two horses. Yeah, this is getting very boring waiting for them up. Such fun. Well, here it is. Bloody hell, I got a bike up. This is going to be bloody ridiculous. It's going to be so fun. Literally, so fun. Look at that background. Bam. Oh my god. Look at that one as well. Bam. Wow. Spectacular. I couldn't even get fucking halfway up. What the fuck? So got that much? What the bloody hell? Came from right down there.
Well, to be honest,
What
we
the
got halfway up the hill.
fuck that shit. We're finally at the top of it. Oh, now it's just a straight part now. I can finally get on my bike and do it again. Yay! I am definitely going 88 miles per hour right now. The video footage. I can't even say the word. The video. Damn. Look at it. It's brilliant.
I know I am.
Shut the fuck up. You are not good. Look at that little turd. Can you even see you?
Yeah, they can see me.
Good. I couldn't see.
I like, shut up, you little turd, and they asked me plenty. I can see you.
I think this is halfway. Well,
Yeah.
just down there actually, most
We
probably.
go up here and have a break, don't we?
Yeah, usually.
And then we go that way, and we're just coming straight back into our village.
Hey, look, I'm looking at the sun. Black how the hail is. Oh, there it
And
is.
then we go back into our village.
Mr. Sun. Yeah, we're halfway now. 4 miles done, 4 more to go. But most of it's downhill now, so it's okay. Yay. Too much skill. Men can multitask. Hey. LOL.
And I look at myself, I see my shit in blurry visions every day. Smoking down.
Going down the hill.
Way.
Oi, stop it!
Smoke me.
Hurry! Thank you, KSI, for that song. That's our next job, to go down that hill. It was, it's gonna be very fun. Is it? Oh, yeah, that is so much better than that. Because you can't see half of my face. But you can see. Oh, God, I'm not turning my head round again.
Why?
I just saw a black thing. It is called a hair.
That's not racist.
No, it's just that my hair's sticking out. Fuck's sake!
You said I saw a black.
Look
thing
at the
in
sun.
ours.
I think that's. Wait.
Oh, that's it. Blind your fans.
Thank you.
Ooh, nigga.
And hello! We did the hill.
Oh.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Look at this kid. He's shitting himself. Okay, get off my camera now. Yes, we are almost home. We've got another, like, I don't know, 2 miles maybe. And then, yes, it should be pretty.
Are you going to be recording the barbecue?
No, I am not. Why the fuck would I do that? You're laughing. Comedy.
Comedy.
Yep. That is
Wait,
not
no.
comedy. We're back in our videos now. And there we go. I'm home. Finally. 8 miles done. So yeah, my next video is either going to be a football one or a Emily wants to play. I'm hopefully doing that tonight. We might go out and do a bit of football. We don't know yet.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, well that'll be next then, I guess. And then I'll do an Emily wants to play later.
Yeah.
Yay.
Using my
Yeah, well.
stuff.
Okay. Please like, subscribe,